I'm Melinda Tolbert, the owner of MJ Tax Relief Group. We help business owners that are in tax trouble. My caseload, like I said, right now is very high because of all the collection letters that the Internal Revenue Service has started sending out. The IRS has also they released a press release. I think it was either on Friday or Monday, letting everybody know that they are, in short, targeting six-figure taxpayers that owes taxes. So if you owe over $100,000, or if you make over $100,000 and you haven't filed taxes, you're probably going to receive a letter in the mail from the Internal Revenue Service, telling you, hey, I know you ain't filed, or hey, boo, here's your balance and we're going to do this. We're going to give you this many days. Normally is their letters that are sent by ACS. ACS is the automated collection. The letters that are sent by ACS are computer generated. So it's not a human that's actually sending those letters out. It's a computer sending them out. And you normally have about 30 days in between the letters that they send them out. By law, they have to send out certain letters before they take action. Collection actions such as filing a lien, filing a levy, which is freezing your bank accounts, suspending, revoking, or denying your passport. It's a lot of things that the Internal Revenue Service have the power to do if you have a balance and you're ignoring them. So that's why you receive those series of letters before they actually take action. So if you have received a CP 504, that is the final balance due reminder letter. That letter is saying, hey, you owe this amount. This is my last time telling you that you have a balance before we take action. And the action after that letter, the only thing they can do after that letter is levy your state refund, which is not that important because a lot of people haven't even filed taxes. So it's not a refund for them to take. So after that, that's when the real action takes place, like the issue a letter to file a lien or levy your assets and all that good stuff. So make sure that if you receive a letter, take action. Ignoring the letter is not going to resolve your issue. It's only going to make your situation worse. Why? Because interest is charged on your balance. Penalties are charged for not filing on time, for filing late, for having a balance and not paying a balance. And those penalties and interest sometimes equals up to more than what you actually owe. So I highly recommend, even if you don't retain our firm to help you, we have about to start a wait list anyway. So if you don't meet certain guidelines, we won't accept you on as a client. But I do have other enrolled agents and professional. They're very professional. We all work together. I have people that I can send you to if you don't meet our income threshold or meet our guidelines. Retain somebody. I don't recommend you trying to do this on your own, whether you're a tax professional or a taxpayer. If you are a tax professional, it kind of depends on what issues you're having. But I still don't recommend you trying to represent yourself because it's just a lot that you probably aren't aware of. If you are a taxpayer, retain someone. This is not a do-it-yourself. Like it's the time that you're going to waste on trying to get somebody on the phone to explain to you what's going on. 90% of the reps that you're going to be speaking with now, when you call the Internal Revenue Service, a lot of those reps are going to be new, so they don't know what the hell they're talking about. That's another issue that you're going to run into. The people that have started retaining us after they've tried to get the issue resolved themselves, they ask questions like, well, how did you do this? And how did you do that? Or they wouldn't let me do this and they told me I couldn't do that. Well, when you hire representation, they know that we are licensed and they know that we know our clients' rights. So they have to they have to play it by the book when they're speaking with us. So that's one of the reasons why it's important to hire professional help. Everything just ain't meant for you to do on your own, especially if you're a business owner and you're not an enrolled agent, a CPA, or a tax attorney. I recommend you staying in your lane if you don't have the experience to do the tax resolution work, because once you come in and give all this bad advice, it makes the people that really know what they're doing, it makes us look bad. So stay in your lane if you don't know what you're doing, because you could be harming the client instead of helping them. And likewise, if you're trying to represent yourself, you can be harming yourself instead of helping yourself if you aren't licensed. I'm telling y'all, Vegas is about to be all the way live. We're all excited. Our instructors are all licensed enrolled agents. We have an amazing tax attorney who also is a EA and EA instructor. And I also have a special guest that I'm not going to announce yet. So if you are still on the fence about joining us in Las Vegas, today is today that you need to stop procrastinating and just enroll. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. You will regret it if you do not come, especially if you've been studying on your own and you kind of fall off here and there. That's what we're here for. We're going to keep you on track, and we're going to make sure you have a study buddy. So you won't fall off with your studies, because it's easy to fall off if you don't have somebody that's holding you accountable. So that is all I have for today. I got to get back to work. Got some new cases this week. This is my weekly overview, my recap. Shoot me a email for the discount code. If you're in our private Facebook group, I have posted that discount code in our Facebook group. If you're not a member, send a request and I'll make sure that we give you access. My email is Melinda, Melinda Tolbert, Tolbert, at mjtax.com. If you have any questions about the registration or about the discount code, feel free to send me an email and I will talk to y'all soon. Peace. Oh, next week, your girl is up for the masterclass. I'm talking about Schedule C. And I learned today in the corporations penalties masterclass that some people think a Schedule C is the same as a corporation, a C corp. I'm appalled. That's something that's new to me. I haven't heard that one yet. So if you are a tax professional and you're not sure, or you don't know the difference between a Schedule C and a C corp, you definitely want to join the masterclass next week. It'll be MJ, which is me, against Coach C, not Corporation C, Schedule C. All right, y'all. It's always fun talking to you all, giving you the info that you need. Until next week, see you later. Peace.